What's up guys, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at our SVE fuel system that is designed for Fox Body Mustangs, equipped with the 302 or 351 based Windsor engine. If you're in the market for a really good fuel system and you don't want to go through the headache of independently sourcing each fuel system component, then I would definitely consider this SVE fuel system for your Fox Mustang. Now this kit is very simple and it eliminates all of the guesswork for a fuel system in a 1986 to 1993 Fox Mustang with a 302 or 351 based Windsor engine that is electronically fuel injected. We include everything you need for this kit, of course, with the exception of your own tools. Now, if you've been shopping around and looking at all the different options that exist when it comes to fuel systems for your Pushrod Fox Mustang, you typically notice one thing with most of these kits. You have to cut each hose to length and then assemble all the fittings, which takes a crap ton of time. Well, to make this kit very attractive and help save time with your project, we took all of the BS out of the equation and provide pre-terminated -6 AN braided stainless hoses for both the supply and return portions of this system. This means you don't have to spend hours upon hours measuring and cutting hoses to length. We've already done the legwork for you. So taking a closer look at the kit, we include a short supply hose for the fuel pump to the filter, a long supply hose for the filter to the regulator, and a return hose for the regulator to the tank. Along with the hoses will be a host of other goodies as well. This includes a complete fuel pump assembly from Aeromotive, outfitted with their 340 liter per hour fuel pump, a pair of really good looking black anodized SVE fuel rails, 2 short supply hoses that connect the distribution block to the fuel rails, of course a distribution block, 2 short return hoses that run from the rails back to the regulator, a 1998 to 2004 Mustang fuel filter bracket with its associated components, a 2005 to 2010 style Mustang fuel filter with 3/8 inlet and outlet fittings that match the inner diameter of the -6 AN hose, a fuel pressure gauge, an Aeromotive return style fuel pressure regulator, our exclusive regulator bracket that uses the factory mounting holes and mounts behind the passenger side strut tower, hardware for this bracket, and of course all the necessary AN fittings and adapters to hook all this cool stuff up. This braided stainless hose is lined with PTFE, which blocks fuel odor and is compatible with E85 leaded and unleaded fuels. Now, because of the higher amperage draw from the Aeromotive 340 pump, we also include the specific wiring harness from Aeromotive. That way you can achieve the advertised flow rating of the pump. As far as the power number is concerned, there's several variables to consider and of course that dictate the horsepower rating of a fuel system. Rest assured, this system can handle a full bolt-on, naturally aspirated 302 or 351 engine running on pump gas or E85 or mild boosted application. This system is designed to work with 302 or 351 based 1986 to 1993 Fox Mustangs that are electronically fuel injected. Now you can either reuse your existing fuel tank and the associated components if they're still in good condition, and of course the tank is free of rust and debris, or use this opportunity to replace whatever it is that you may need. Finally, because of the custom nature of fuel systems and everyone's personal expectations, we do include an assortment of Adel clamps as well as a bag of zip ties to dial in the hoses underneath the car. Now, depending on where you position your Adel clamps will ultimately dictate what kind of hardware you need, so that is the only thing that the installer has to source. Be sure and check out our detailed installation videos for this kit. It includes the underside and engine bay portions of the system, as well as the wiring harness video. That way you can see all of the parts in action and have a better understanding of where they go and how it all works. As always, if you have any questions, drop us a comment or please reference the product pages for the most up-to-date information on this kit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more industry-leading solutions from SVE and turn on those notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until we see you in the next video for all things Fox Body, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.